We're making potato fries. Take 2 potatoes, peel them, yeah, like that. Cut it, yeah. Cut it even more, yeah. Put garlic to ward off the vampires. Put ginger because why not? And green chili needed, and curry leaves needed. Blend it up. Blend it with this pretty. This is not sponsored. Ooh, green. I don't know what this is. Okay, corn flour, 2 cups. 1 cup maida. Salt, because you need salt. Put green. Mixy mix. Yay! Now dip it in. Now fry it in the oil. Sizzle, sizzle. Ooh, beautiful. And that's how you make the best snack in the world. Bye bye.